So, what's the difference between Alexa and AI, artificial intelligence? It's a question I get asked a lot. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the differences between Alexa and AI and help you understand how they're different and how they're the same. Alexa made its debut in 2014 with the Amazon Echo. Initially, it primarily focused on answering basic questions and performing simple tasks. However, over the years, it has evolved significantly into a complex voice assistant that allows you to control your smart home devices, get information, and more. AI, on the other hand, is a broad term that refers to artificial intelligence systems that are designed to mimic human intelligence and thought processes. Although both Alexa and AI are powered by technology, they are not the same. Amazon's Alexa is a form of AI that relies on natural language processing and machine learning to understand your questions and to respond in a conversational manner. This means that as you continue to communicate with Alexa, she becomes better at providing accurate and relevant information. Alexa is also voice activated, which means you can ask her questions or perform tasks by saying her name or using a voice command. On the other hand, AI refers to a broader category of technologies that aim to emulate human intelligence. AI systems may use different methods such as machine learning to analyze and learn from data. They can also make decisions based on that data and improve their performance over time. AI has many different applications, from virtual assistants to self-driving cars and even medical diagnosis. In summary, Alexa and AI are both technologies powered by machine learning and natural language processing. While Amazon's Alexa is a specific example of a voice-activated virtual assistant, AI is a broader category of technologies that aim to mimic human intelligence. The main difference between the two lies in the way they interact with their users and the specific tasks they can perform. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think Alexa will be the next Skynet that will take over our homes and worse? Or will it continue to be our faithful, responsive assistant beckoning to our every request? My name's Steve, host of Your Technology Coach. Thanks for watching.